You're watching ABC 26 News at 9 on New Orleans CW.
What a story on the North Shore, where two doctors are making medical history for Louisiana thanks to their use of stem cell therapy to help patients walk and battle heart disease.
And some patients say it is working. Cindy Wynn has more on the procedures they're performing that's getting a lot of attention. Cindy?
It sure is working. I mean, you're talking about positive stories for Louisiana. This is a really good one. Two North Shore doctors are doing what no one else in the state is doing, and the results are, in some cases, life-changing miracles.
More than 3 months ago, Patricia Walsh couldn't walk more than 30 feet without having breathing problems, thanks to heart disease.
12 years ago, I had my first heart attack at 49.
Then came 15 stent surgery implants and a number of angioplasties, but nothing worked. Right now, she's down to one working artery, feeding her whole heart, and even that is 80% blocked.
You get to where you just start praying to make it one more day, one more week, one more month.
Then cardiologist Dr. Gabriel Lasala of Lakeview Hospital in Covington suggested stem cell therapy.
This is going to be the future of many diseases, I believe. It's going to be the future of the patients who cannot get any other treatment.
3 months ago, Patricia had stem cells taken from her bone marrow. Doctors then use a catheter to insert those stem cells into her damaged artery, like this procedure being done on another heart attack patient. These days, Patricia sees major life changes.
I'm walking a mile. I can do 2 flights of stairs.
And it is here at the TCA Cellular Therapy and Life Source Chirobank facilities where Dr. Lasala and his staff are making medical history for Louisiana. They performed at least 25 stem cell infusion procedures to fight diseases.
Stem cell can produce bone or cartilage or muscle or cells that circulate in blood.
Here's how it works. A sample of adult stem cells are taken from a person's bone marrow. That sample is then taken to a cell biologist who separates and takes only the cells needed for treatment.
The problem is that the number of cells is very, very low. Let's say on each aspiration we get 1,000 or 2,000 of these stem cells. And that is not enough for treatment.
So they put sample cells in incubators like these to multiply to the amount needed for treatment. And it happens right here in Covington, the only place in the state to perform stem cell therapy on humans.
I believe it's going to be the future of many other diseases, not just heart diseases. There are many diseases that we don't have a cure for.
Stem cell therapy is generally used on patients who have 70% or greater blockage of a heart artery and not eligible for surgery. The procedure can also be done during bypass surgery. Now, the most amazing part about all of this is of the 25 procedures the doctors were talking about, those patients have seen some kind of improvement in their medical situation, and it's only getting better for a lot of them. And now doctors are waiting to get FDA approval to start using stem cell therapy on neurological diseases.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Especially considering that something in Covington can have an impact on the rest of the world.
Exactly.
That's right.
One of the doctors says even Harvard doesn't even have something like this. So,
Fantastic. Way to go,
story.
Louisiana. Thank you, Cindy.